Hello dear friends, today I will prepare the dessert mandarins. In a separate bowl, mix the flour, baking powder, cardamom, and cinnamon. Blend spinach leaves with half of the sour cream using an immersion blender until smooth. Whisk the egg with powdered sugar and a pinch of salt until light and frothy. Add the remaining sour cream and spinach mixture, then mix well. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, kneading into a smooth batter. Peel the mandarins and cut them in half. If they are large, trim them to reduce their diameter. Prepare the molds by using double paper baking cups. Place 1 teaspoon of sugar at the bottom of each cup, then add a peeled mandarin. Add approximately 1 tablespoon of batter to each cup. Bake in a preheated oven until golden on top. Check the temperature and baking time in the description below the video. These mandarins will delight your guests with their festive appearance, unique taste, and aromatic spices. If desired, sprinkle with powdered sugar. Cook and enjoy.